How to fix invalid destination address in Redmi Note 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option more connectivity options. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode. After turning on or off airplane mode, then go back and click on apps. And then click on manage apps and search here messages. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear your messages storage. After clear your messages storage, then go back and click on more connectivity options. And then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.